Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a spectrum shake effects to your videos on CapCut. So first, you just need to add the clips, and after that click on a transition box in between the clips and click on the light effect category. And in here swipe until you find the future spectrum transition and set it only for 0.3 seconds. Click on a check icon, then click on a second clip, go to animation, and for the shake effect click on the combo and select the falling animation. Okay, click on the check icon, then go to the video effects, find the glitch category, and then select the color distortion effect. Click on the check icon and set the effect for the second clip. And now you are done. So this is the spectrum shake effect. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.